welcome back to my channel. Today let's discuss how we can put the phone in here. We have the phone holder, alright, and just like how we did it for the camera, we just need to unscrew it first. Alright, so just put the screw with each other, and then screw it down here. Right. So the next thing that we need to do is to place it just like the camera, and then put the phone down in here. But before we put the phone down or install the phone in here, let's take a look on how we can connect this remote control to this phone. The first thing that we need to do is to open the Bluetooth, alright, and turn on this one. So to turn on the remote control, we just need to switch the button here from off to on. Alright, there's a button here in the side. So after we turn the Bluetooth on in our phone, we just need to find the one for Yuntang. It's already connected. It should be ready to go. Now let's put a test. Let's check if it is working. So I'm gonna place this remote control from the distance, and we just have to press this one, the shut button, and 1, 2, 3. That's it, guys. So to minimize or to zoom in or out, we just need to, I think it's not working for the zoom. Yeah, unfortunately it's not working for the zoom in and out. I think this is only for this specific device, not sure for the other. So but anyway, if the shut button is working, we'll be good to go. Alright, let me install it here. So to install the phone, we just need to pull this one out. I'll pull it up and install the phone. So we just need to tight the position of the phone. If you want it to be a landscape mode, we just need to place it that way and rotate the screw in here. If you want it to be on portrait mode, you just need to adjust it down here, and that's it. Now let's try. Now let's open the camera. And press this one here. Did it work? So we haven't charged this device after we got it, so this may be the reason that it's not working well. So when you get it, guys, please charge it for at least 1 to 2 hours to make it fully functional. But the photo that we have taken earlier, we got it, guys. This is it. Alright, so if you will be working on a tripod, we just need to put it here and you can navigate it just like that. Alright, same as camera, we can also change the angle using this way, or the handle, this one, right side. So that's it, guys. So again, if you have any questions for this and how it works, and basic questions about this tripod, don't forget to comment down below. Alright, so that is all for today, guys. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.